Can something as different as digital health and adventure even be combined? And will that lead to a better world? That's what we're going to explore today. You know, you can develop videos on fitness and outdoor activities that is in line with how you can improve health using activities such as hiking, camping, adventure sports, and all that wellness content will help people live a better and healthier lifestyle. That's digital health. You can also work on building a healthy eating and healthy nutrition by taking videos on when you're eating healthy, when you're doing nutrition, when you are cooking healthy food, and that helps people gain a better traction of what it is to live healthy. You can also take up and develop videos around mindfulness, around meditation, around yoga that helps people reduce stress, improve mental health. You can develop videos around travel and adventure trip. So, for example, you can develop videos on how to stay healthy and safe when you're traveling. That helps people. And you can develop videos on adventure gear. For example, if they were going for backpacking or if they were going on camping, what is the gear that they should have? What is the clothes that they should be wearing for such activities? You can develop videos on environment and sustainability. They help the environment, but they also help with health. And developing those videos will improve the overall health of the community. You can develop videos on health and wellness. So, for example, going to a spa, going to a wellness destination to recuperate. You can develop vlogs and v-journals about outdoor experiences, about travel experiences, about inspiration, about motivation. All of that improves health of the population. All of that improves the society you live in. So yes, you can combine health and adventure, and that will improve the overall society, and you can do that using digital health mediums. Thank you. Please like and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon.